Hello. Today I have brought a very effective scrub for you all. Making this scrub at home is very easy, and its benefits are comparable to those of a salon scrub. This scrub can be prepared with minimal expense using ingredients readily available at home. To begin, you will need a tomato for this scrub. Here, a grater has been used to crush the tomato. Now, add 2 spoons of sugar and 1 spoon of honey to it. After that, mix these 3 ingredients well and scrub your face, neck, and hands with it. Scrub for 10 minutes continuously. After that, leave the scrub on the skin for 10 minutes. Wash off after 10 minutes. You will achieve the best results with this scrub. The tomato, honey, and sugar in this scrub cleanse the skin's dull and dead surface, helping to remove blackheads and whiteheads. The skin becomes soft and glowing. This scrub reduces wrinkles and also protects the skin from the sun. It prevents acne and shrinks pores while reducing excess oil from the skin, making it beautiful. It is recommended to use this scrub twice a week. If you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.